Alright guys, let's dive into Fantom real quick on the channel here. Now you can see that Fantom has kind of a long weekly candle here. It did find support basically at the top of the Fibonacci, the lowest level here. And just want to zoom a little bit here now. It would be ideal if we can get above $1.07 basically. Let's say $1.08. And that would show that this weekly support supported us. That would be, kind of a first step. But, we did kind of get a rejection up here at $1.48. Got a massive rejection. Fell back into this, second level of the Fibonacci basically. And let's see where this falls. Now, if we look at the volume profile basically on a weekly time frame, you can see that it's starting to get a little bit less. We're right here, guys. So we kind of have a big drop off once we get above this. So yeah, I do believe Fantom can move, quite fast. Now, where do I think Fantom will rocket? Actually, it's almost there, guys. I'm gonna put a little rocket ship. I'm gonna put it up here. If we can get above, let me move this a little bit. If we can get above, basically $1, let's say 48, that's pretty much going to put us in this upper range of trading. So yeah, that's the goal right now. Get above that. We did get above our high in April and March, so that's a good thing. But now we're a little bit below that, but I do believe we will get above that very shortly. So hopefully we can hang on to that at a minimum. But yeah, guys, I mean, basically if we're looking at this also, this looks like a Head and Shoulders. This is a very small Head and Shoulders though as well. Now, where would that take us? Let's see. It's kind of an ugly Head and Shoulders. Let's just put it like this. I don't think it's anything massive. But the breakout point, let's just say it was up here. Basically, yeah, we did meet that and a little bit more. So I think we're just coming down to really retest and work our way back up, guys. Now, if we take a look at Fantom tokenomics, basically the max supply is 3.175 billion. Almost all of this is circulating right now, so that's good to see. And yeah, I mean, basically, if we look at it, it's still 70% down, so that's a massive sale, guys. If you're looking to add Fantom or get more in your bags, then yeah, I mean 70% down from all-time high. That's a deal. So that's a steal, basically. In my opinion, basically, I do believe Fantom will make it up to about $8 at least. Don't know about higher. Maybe 10 to 12, but I'll probably start to sell around $8, guys, if it makes it there. Now let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin has had kind of a doji little day. It's been down, it's been up. It's been up as high as $99,540, guys. It's trying to break this weekly resistance here. You can see we pretty much got stuck under it yesterday. Even today we tried to push through. Now the good sign is that we did have kind of a big wick here. So let's see if we can push through this. Preferably would be Monday, so we don't create another CME gap. And actually, someone mentioned on another influencer's channel that there was a CME gap down at 92,000. So basically, it looks like yesterday that probably got filled if that was true. So that is cleared, although we still have a quite large gap from, I think, 76,000 up to, I don't even know where, guys. It's quite a big one, though. It's several $1,000s. Now, taking a quick look at the dominance, this is what is really killing us at the moment if you're holding altcoins like myself. You can see that basically, this trend line was broken as of pretty much last night at around midnight. And I put a post on my YouTube here about this, breaking this trend line. And yeah, I mean, we even sealed 2 candles down. It wasn't just like one like here or one like here. We sealed even 2 candles down, but yet have gotten the bounce and that's really killing alts, guys. I mean, it's headed up again, you know, up here maybe to this top, and it could even hit this trend line. This was a long-term trend line that we had that held us up until we had this massive crash, and you know, we went down what, like 5 or 6, yeah, 6%, almost 7%, guys. So right now, from the top up here, we are only down like a little bit more than 2.5%. So that's why we're suffering, guys. Nothing we can do. We have to be patient. This is not the end. Don't worry. Alt will surge at some point. However, you know, Bitcoin dominance is just going back up. That's the thing. Hopefully we can hold under 59% here, which is this line. Now we do have 2.5 hours on this candle. It's very possible. You can see that it did get rejected in the last 4-hour candle, but it has since made a higher, you know, high here, so that's not a good thing. Now, taking a look at Ethereum, basically you can see this is the weekly time frame. We are still holding about $3,300, $3,313 actually on this support, and we are maintaining this Fibonacci level, so that's still good, but we were above this Fibonacci and the next Fibonacci level, so, you know, we're not going to reclaim that, you know, today or probably tomorrow, unfortunately. So we just need to work our way back up. Now, on the daily time frame, I talked about this yesterday, but basically we did break the structure, and if I zoom out here, you'll kind of see we kind of made a M pattern here. We broke down, and basically we caught support all the way down at about 3,100, almost flat, guys. So yeah, let's see what happens now. Ethereum is going back down again, so that is why the dominance is, you know, going you know, up for Bitcoin. Basically the alts are following Ethereum. Now, as for altcoin season, guys, basically we are still maintaining above these two peaks here at 46, I believe. And yeah, we're at 49 right now. Let's see what happens. Hopefully, you know, we stay above these peaks. That was my theory all along. I thought we were going to maintain it, maybe get a bounce. So we just have to be patient. So fear and greed, guys, I'm surprised. 73. Let me refresh this just to see if I didn't refresh this. Okay, yeah, I did refresh this, so it is 73. So I'm really surprised it's 73. You know, I'm expecting even lower, especially with all this crashing, guys. Now, the Pi Cycle Top Indicator, guys, pretty much still the same. I can even zoom in a little bit more. You can see it's curving up, but yeah, we're still far away, guys. Now, economic calendar, basically this week, actually next week, sorry, we do have consumer confidence on Monday. That is pretty important, guys. I do think if we get good numbers, that will help Bitcoin and it will boost it. Now, Tuesday, I know many places the 24th is a holiday, but we have core durable goods and durable goods on Tuesday, so that's quite important. Now, Wednesday is a holiday. Thursday, jobless claims, not too important. And Friday, we just have some HPI. That's not important as well so much. Mainly Monday and Tuesday, guys. Very important for, you know, what Jerome Powell is going to decide in the future. Now, one last thing, guys. Taking a look at crypto bubbles, you can see there are a few winners here. These bigger ones are new projects that were in the launch pool in Binance. However, you do have things like Core and Theta, you know, 6% up. So, yeah, Bonk is 7%. You know, we have some small winners, but a lot of small losers across the market, too. You know, like I said, it's up to Bitcoin, you know, and the dominance, guys. So, be patient, hang in there. Don't look at the portfolio too much. Go outside with your family. And, yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.